Hello, YouTubers! Because it downpoured for 32 hours straight, this is overflowing and it's going onto this street. Even that catch basin cannot handle all of this. And if I unclog it, I wonder what happens. It's sucking my hand in. You hear that? This is insane. Yeah, nobody except for me is maintaining this catch basin. Whereas I shouldn't be the only one that maintains this catch basin. Look how insane this is. It's the craziest thing I ever seen in my life. Look at this. It's at the 5th bar. Yeah, this catch basin is about to overflow. What happens if I redirect this? Look how much water that is! This is absolutely insane! Sorry for that. Look at that! It's overflowing. What is happening over there? Man, there's so many rocks. Yeah, it's flooding so much that people are even dying. Look at that. It's insane. For some reason, this catch basin is still working.